this is the trunk power lock, as well as the trunk opener. Trunk power lock assembly. So I'm going to open it up. So these two screw is screwing to the bracket. So let me remove it first. The screw will be longer. Okay, when these two screws are removed, then this bracket is detached from a bracket, but still holding by the metal rod. So these are the metal rod that I showed in the earlier video that you push up, it will be unlocked, and you pull down, it will be locked. So this is the arm that I'm referring to, that push up and pull down towards the floor. It will be in lock position. When it's in the lock positions, the entire trunk assembly will not, all the trunk opener, electronics trunk opener will not receive the power. So you can temporarily press it up to make the trunk lock in the unlock position. Even you lock the car, the trunk can be opened because this motor itself is too soft to turn and lock itself. So let me open up the rest of the screws and show you inside. So these are the shorter screws. They are the same length. The last one. Then, okay. The cover is open. So these are the gasket. You leave it there. So this is the motor assembly itself. So the lock unlock mechanism is pretty much this latch, the plastic latch over here. So if I pull it down, which is in the lock position, let me put this to mount it temporarily to the bracket and hold it there. So if you want to lock it, then this black color plastic going to press on this small plastic latch, and it will press it there. This is called lock. When I press it up, and this black color is turning it left, and therefore this latch is going to the 7 o'clock angle and is in the lock position. So in the unlock position. So this is lock, this is unlock, this is lock, this is unlock, and you can see there's two wires right here. So when they are in the unlock position, which is like this, then these two wires are going to touch each other and supply 12 volts to the trunk relay. And if in the lock position, which is touching together, then these two wires are going to disconnect, and the 12 volt power not going to feed to the power relay for the trunk. So the trunk opener will not receive power even when you slide the trunk latch. So let me remove the motor assembly. So the one facing the top is red color, actually it's orange and red color. The one towards the bottom is white and red color. So you can pull it upward, and you can see it's a kind of a metal plate. Press it up again, another metal plate. Then you get the new motor assembly. So you have the same width, length. The design is a bit different, and this design has a slot that for this item to slide in, but I'm just going to pull out the entire carbon brush and swap it with the original assembly actuator. So to pull it out, I have to loosen this metal clip in a smallest, one size smaller flathead screwdriver. I think I will stop the video here as I will need to look for other tools to open it up.